How to permanently delete Roblox account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you permanently delete your Roblox account. So to begin with, open up your browser, type in roblox.com and log into your account. So once logged in, you want to click on the gear icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen and go to settings. So as you go to settings or account settings, privacy and content restrictions. Underneath you would find these options: account activations and deletion. Click that out. If you are sure about deleting your account, so click on deactivate. After which you could see that deactivating your account will hide your profile. Some informations may still be visible to others, and such items have listed in Roblox Marketplace. You could also have an access to your Roblox and items if you choose to reactivate your account. So after deactivating, you'll be logged out and you could reactivate your account at any time. Log in back to your Roblox, and to permanently delete your account, you need to contact Roblox support. So what you want to do is here to delete your account permanently, open up a browser and type in delete Roblox. Afterwards, scroll down and you could see these link, how do I deactivate or delete my account. Click on the link and then scroll down, and then you have these account deletion. So click on support form. After which you could fill out the form and then you could go ahead and submit your request, and they will be able to look into your matter and your account should be deleted permanently. So this is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.